Hello, well, welcome to this update for Europe. Let's just see what's happening. So today's Wednesday the 8th, it's almost Thursday. So alright, it shows these systems affecting some parts of Central Europe and also another one in Russia there. So this is the GFS model, and throughout Thursday the 9th shows more snow and possible some spots of Germany as the system goes there, in Belarus as well, and some more systems later. But let's see first here some temperatures because they are very cold, especially tonight until like Saturday in the UK. So some global models like the European, they show -8, like some -9, some -5. In most of Ireland, some negative temperatures too. It shows like 1 degree in London, close to zero, some -8, in northern Scotland, some highlands there, some -8, some -5. So be careful there. And earlier tonight was even colder according to some models, but some high resolution models did show here like some -12, some -14 degrees, some -17. This was like 2 hours ago, but show like some -10 now. So now in the UK is around like midnight, 1 a.m. already. Shows some -12, some -11. So be careful those temperatures. But probably you just watch this tomorrow morning. So uh, during the morning still shows some very cold temperatures. So some 2 degrees in London, some other spots to -8 to -7, especially in Scotland in some areas. In Ireland still shows pretty cold, some -6, some -4. So Thursday, during the day, it wait, it warms up a little bit to like 3 degrees. Some spots 1 degree, but still cold in the Highlands. Then to Thursday night, gets cold again. Some spots there still to -12, close to -13 degrees Celsius. So dress warm and stay safe. Some 0 degrees in London, some -3 just south of London. Some other areas to like some -11. Further north in the Highlands, close to -8, some -12. So stay safe, like -13 in the mountains in northern Scotland to -14. I even saw the Met Office saying like -16 some spots there. So that's possible too. So stay safe in that cold. Short some -2, some -6 in some areas Thursday. To Friday, still cold there, like Friday night, some -4, so some -8, especially the north, some -12. So stay safe, some spots -15, -16, the far north. So yeah, be aware. So the 10th, the 11th still shows some negative temperatures. Just Saturday night shows some -1 in London, some other spots -9. So the 11th, the 12th, it warms up during the day, but still very cold in the night and morning. Shows more some parts of southern UK. So yeah, stay safe. Those cold temperatures. But now the rest of the model here. So the 10th shows the system does snow. One in the Balkans, some snow there. Another one already by Estonia and into southern Sweden. Some snow too between the 10th and the 11th. Shows a system in France as we go into today Thursday. So shows more like some snow in Germany as I showed before. But into Friday, the 11th, the 10th, that shows some more snow into France, some rain there too, and some in the Alps on Friday night. And then shows the system around Sweden and Finland, some snow there, and dives back down to Poland on the 11th. It remains there, and the one in southeastern Europe, near like Macedonia and Albania, shows some heavier snow too, and some heavy rain, maybe near Greece, southern Albania. So this goes towards Bulgaria on the 12th, and Ukraine, some more snow. Then the GFS on the 14th shows a little bit more snow into Finland, Russia, Poland, Belarus, some spots of Latvia, Lithuania, those areas. And even like on the 17th or something, shows some more low pressure systems near Greece and Turkey and the Mediterranean. So be aware those areas now for the European model. Does show the system now in France, Belgium, some snow there already, some storms in rain to France on Thursday, tomorrow, or today if it's past midnight, and then does show later Thursday some more snow into like Germany and Poland, especially northeastern Germany, in the Alps as well, especially in the higher elevations. This goal shows some of Latvia and Estonia on Friday the 10th, and some to southern Finland and Sweden. Then the system just lingers around there, and then shows on the 10th of Friday some snow in the Balkans too. This goes there, some are around Bulgaria on the 11th, or Macedonia. Then it shows this Mediterranean system there on the 12th. Some snow, some mountains in southern Italy, but more in the southern Balkans there. So until like the 14th, it shows that snow maybe in Estonia, into Russia and Latvia, some in Belarus on the 13th and 14th, and that show in Ukraine on the 14th some snow too, maybe to Moldova, Romania. And then on the 17th, around the 16th, 15th, the European area has some more rain around southern Spain, and some snow the mountains too. It does have some heavy rain around the 18th near northeastern Spain. Then it does have another front into Spain and Portugal on the 19th. Then it goes there and some stuff later, but the rest is too far out to see with these things. So now there's the Canadian model for the winter overview. So let's see. So now around it's around like 1 a.m. midnight there, shows the system near like Germany and Belgium, some snow, and the orange is some freezing rain too. So be careful those areas, some spots of freezing rain between that snow. Late into Thursday shows some more snow there in the white across Germany, Poland, some spots of freezing rain in the orange, and the purple is the snow depth. So yeah, beware. Rain is the blue, so it goes there, shows even some freezing rain potential into Friday across Lithuania, Latvia, and some snow there too. So it's showing the snow lingering around there until like Sunday near Poland, Latvia, Belarus, and those areas. And it does show the front in the Balkans on the 10th and more snow. Then this goes there, more rain in the Mediterranean, some snow in Turkey, even some freezing rain on the 12th. And it does have more systems near like Greece and Turkey on the 13th. And it does have this crazy system like dive into Central Europe with some ice pellets and freezing rain on the 14th, and more stuff later. But this is the Canadian, and sometimes it can show weird stuff. And let's now the GFS, the winter overview, does show those spots of freezing rain in between the snow and the rain there in Belgium, Germany, those areas. The snow goes, does show some freezing rain to Estonia and Russia possible on the 10th, and more into northern Russia later. And the low pressure system just lingers there. And they does have a system in Norway later. If you put here like Europe and North Atlantic, does show like Norway, Sweden. There, the system lingering near southern Finland. They does have this front into Norway on the 13th, some snow, some ice pellets and freezing rain. On the 13th, this goes there, shows the front with some snow all the way to like South Central Europe on the 14th and 15th. So yeah, be aware those areas, and just know that these forecasts might change still. They always change. So now the icon here shows the system now Central Europe, those areas. That shows some freezing rain in Germany and Belgium, some snow in the mix. This goes there, shows like uh, more so into Germany, Poland, rain and some small spots of freezing rain. Into Thursday, some snow in the Alps too. So, and after this, it didn't load yet. So maybe in overview, it might load because this internet is super slow here. But let's see. Nothing seems to be loading now. Let's hope the Wi-Fi is still working, unlike yesterday they gave out. So let's see if this is working still. I think so. So be aware of those systems and everything. And now for the temperatures, some other areas is still very cold in Norway, especially southwestern Norway, less than minus 20 degrees Celsius, close to like minus 21 in some areas, show like minus 10, minus 9, Sweden, some minus 18, Finland in those areas close to minus 26 degrees Celsius, minus 25, some minus 23, some spots in northern Norway too. So stay safe in those areas, especially the wind chills. If it's like a little bit windy, it might be close to like minus, and the feels like temperatures might be close to minus 30 or even less. So stay safe. The wind chills, this goes there, and be aware that's not a high resolution model. Those global wars, some other high resolution ones like this one, much like minus 25. Some specific spots on Norway. So yeah, stay safe. And here shows like because this is a little bit more high resolution, shows some specific mountains show like minus 25 and more there minus 23, so minus 24. So stay safe there. Yeah. And this goes, this arrive Thursday night to Friday, shows central Finland, cold too, very cold in northern Sweden and Norway. This goes on the 10th, still cold there. So yes, central Finland and like especially Sweden, close to minus 27 degrees Celsius. So stay safe. Norway, some areas that are still in the UK. And the 10th, DT11 still shows very cold in those areas. Negative temperatures like 100% of Norway, Sweden, and Finland, except some coastal islands. So still like some minus 17 on Sundays, some minus 16, some spots, some minus 10. So this goes there, warms up a little bit on the 13th, but still cold as the cold air mass moves east. So yeah, stay safe there. Now further south, during the night now, showing some lower temperatures for Central, Northern Europe, some areas there, Denmark, Germany, especially Poland, some negative temperatures into Latvia, Belarus, and the Alps especially like some minus 6, some minus 4, some minus 5, and the Pyrenees showing some very cold spots, so some minus 5. So yeah, be aware in Iceland too, so minus 17 to minus 18, minus 16. So yeah, stay safe. So Wednesday to Thursday, so still more negative temperatures near Denmark and Germany. Nothing that crazy, but very cold. So like some minus 2 to minus 3 in the Alps, close to minus 6. So yeah, stay safe. So Thursday into Friday shows Friday night to Saturday, those negative temperatures spreading further east. Show like all the way to Serbia, some minus 1, special spots to Germany, some minus 3, to Luxembourg, France, and Poland and Denmark, especially in the Alps, close to like minus 12 in the Alps. And these are just the estimations of the temperatures by the European model, because as you saw with the high resolution models, these temperatures might get colder than this. So just keep that in mind and stay tuned to your local weather forecast. And here shows like on Saturday night to Sunday, the Europeans like minus 26 to minus 27 in the Alps, minus 23. So stay safe there. Shows much northern Italy, very cold. Into France, even Paris, some minus 1. Some spots in northern Spain. But like most of Central Europe, shows under some negative temperatures on Saturday night. night, the 12th. So this goes not 12th, the day 11th, and into Sunday, the 12th. So shows some -5, Virgin of Malta some -10, Romania, some spots like -16, the mountains, some like temperatures near central Bulgaria too, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, on the Pyrenees as well. So on Sunday morning shows these temperatures in Andorra, close to -10, some spots of Spain and France to -13, and still in the Alps in central Italy, even central Corsica, and even show like -4 in London, the European is showing. So this goal still shows there on the 12th, like Sunday night to Monday morning, says big area of negative temperatures throughout Central Europe, some -4, some -6, some -7, Belgium, some spots -6, Romania, Poland, and in all those areas, especially in the Alps, is very cold, and even showing to Spain like some -3, some spots in northeastern Spain some -4, some -14, into central Spain some -6, some -3, some -5, northeastern Portugal as well. So yeah, be aware. But most models are agreeing in this. There are only some minor differences, but the GFS is also showing something similar. So stay safe there. Shows the 13th and into Tuesday, the 14th on that night shows the temperatures getting, the negative temperatures getting very close to the coast in Spain, so like 2 degrees in Barcelona, some spots like some -11 in Andorra, some -3, so like in Spain, Madrid, some -1, many areas there. Into Paris, some -3, showing some -4, some other spots of France, 1 degree in London, marks central northern Italy, and shows like in the Alps some -11 to -18. So stay safe, especially with some wind and wind chills in those areas. Germany to Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, Romania still very cold, and some local spots, especially in some high elevations, might be colder. So stay safe. So this goes into the 14th, still pretty cold for Spain and France and northeastern Portugal, the Alps, like into Bulgaria, Serbia, Romania, those areas there. The 15th still shows cold spots of Spain and France, into the Alps in southeastern Europe, central UK. This goes the 16th is still showing like northern Spain, some spots of France on the 17th, still some negative temperatures in spots, but yeah, and that's too far out already. But be aware those areas and stay safe now for some temperature outlooks. So let's see what the models have. This is the GFS. Does show some those below average temperatures into northwestern Europe right now. Those of you in the UK are already feeling it. So it goes there, shows like on the 10th for Central Europe, and then does show like the 12th down to Southern Europe, Central Southern Europe, those cold temperatures. This goes the 13th for like Southeastern Europe, even Southwestern Europe, many areas there. Shows an area of above average on the 18th throughout Central Northwestern Europe. Then the GFS does have some more close dips into Central Europe later. So we'll watch that. Now there's the European, shows a very cold area in Iceland there, and it still shows like now that the cold area in the UK. This goes to Central Europe, Southeastern Europe. Now it's like Southwestern Europe too on the 13th. Shows there slightly some above average on the 15th, many areas there, and doesn't show any significant cold dips later. So this coming now would be the biggest one. Like for now, of course, in the middle of December last month, we had some bigger cold waves, but this one will be very chilly too. So stay safe in those areas. Yeah. And so stay safe there. Now just some quick accumulations here and stuff for the snow. Does show like here, so this is the European next 5 days, shows more for Northeastern Europe, some spots in Germany, some 15 centimeters. In Poland shows some heavy accumulation, so be aware in Estonia, in Lithuania, those areas there, and throughout Poland, Slovakia, Czechia, especially northern Czechia, and the Balkans. The European has a lot in Albania, especially central eastern Albania, and to northern Greece, the southern Macedonia, Bulgaria too, some 34 centimeters, and this might be heavier for some areas. Shows in southern Italy as well, some mountains there, so stay safe. And shows in the Pyrenees a little bit of snow too next 5 days, in the Alps even to 40 centimeters, some 30 centimeters. So yeah, so be aware. In the UK shows a flake or two in Iceland, in Ireland, some more there like southern UK, and throughout northern UK, but nothing that crazy. In Norway shows more for like southwestern Norway, and like central to northern Norway, close to 31 centimeters throughout the next 5 days. More central northern Sweden, into Finland and those areas, especially southern Finland and Estonia, because the seasons are like 35 to 38 centimeters, some 17. So be aware of some heavy snow with the system there now from time to time in Latvia and the coast of western, southwestern Sweden too. So stay safe now. The GFS does show some more throughout Poland, Germany, some in Ireland, some snow in Iceland there, in Norway, those areas, the Balkans too. So stay safe there. The icon has also there in the Balkans, in the Alps, some in the Pyrenees, northern Turkey, the Caucasus, and especially more into southern Finland and Estonia, and like central Norway, those areas. So be careful. The snow there, the accumulations, the visibility, and everything. And now for rain, shows the icon does show some more significant rainfall into southwestern Norway, but comparing that to the snowfall, shows snow in the mountains, mainly in the mountains, and rain more on the coast there. So be careful, those fronts bring the heavy rain, might cause some minor flooding danger, and more in the Azores too. Some fronts there shows on like some 118 meters next 5 days. Be careful, some fronts there. Shows also some rain in Greece and Albania. Be careful on the coast in Albania where there's more rain. And yeah, there's the European too, shows less than the icon in Norway, but shows more as well. And southern Iceland, maybe some more rain. The systems into France, northern Spain. This just until the 13th. Until the 18th, area shows more southern Spain, more in Norway, Italy, more areas there. But it's too far. So stay safe. In the Azores, does show a front there into Thursday, the 9th, tomorrow, some thunderstorms, and this goes there and shows another front on the 11th possible, and even more later on the 14th, and more fronts later. There's a lot this time of year, so stay safe. The wind gusts shows like Thursday into Thursday, tomorrow, or today, shows some high gusts near Spain and France, especially France there, because this is in central western France, into some spots of Ukraine, some specific spots in northern Czechia, Poland. So this goes in central Spain too, some spots in the Mediterranean. So Thursday, this goes shows more into southern France, some spots in Germany, slightly higher gusts. The 9th, the 10th, still some in Sardinia, some spots in Corsica, and some specific spots into France too. And this system, like near Estonia, Finland, and those areas, does show some high gusts in the seas there, but the coast in northern Poland, be careful, some high gusts into Saturday, the 11th, and all those areas near Sweden and Estonia, those areas there too. Be aware. And the front into Norway shows some very high gusts to western Norway on the 13th, and these combined with some rain and snow might make some low visibilities and some dangerous driving conditions. So stay safe, and also the gale warnings in the ocean. So be aware. On the 13th also shows many areas of strong winds in some spots of Italy, central Italy, western Italy, many spots in Croatia, some big gusts, strong gusts. And the 13th, this goes there. Still shows like near the southwestern Mediterranean. The 14th, a little bit breezier spots of Poland to Ukraine, some areas there. Still some parts of the north and Iceland. Be careful, some systems in Iceland, especially like shows a front on the 12th, some higher gusts, and some mountain spots does show here like close to 108 km per gust, 120, so stay safe there. And depending on the model, this might be different, but just be aware. The GFS is a front too, but not as strong gust as the European. So stay safe. In the Azores shows some slight higher gust this front now. This comes, but the front on the 10th and the 11th shows some very significant gusts near Latins, some areas there, the Azores, so be careful those gusts on the 14th as well, and more later, so be aware there. Be careful the cold temperatures, the snow and everything. Now for like some snow in the icon here shows, so today's the 8th to the 13th shows the Alps in those areas. Be aware, some 76 centimeters shows the season now in Germany, Belgium, into Poland, shows more in Finland and Estonia, and to central northern Norway, some spots in Iceland. So it's a similar thing, maybe northern UK, thing or two. So in the Balkans, yeah, I already showed you the icon there. So be aware those areas. Now for, let's see if the Canadian works here, just to show another model. But yeah, so this goes because this Wi-Fi is not good. But here for like snow depth, this is the best way to show it, I think. So let's see if it works. Not sure that it will, but while it loads, let's just show some fog potential. So these cold mornings, be aware with fog in many areas, shows more scattered across southeastern Europe, Italy and Spain sometimes get a lot, even more in Sweden, into Ireland in the mornings. So be aware, as you can see, Portugal, Spain, and to Friday morning, southeastern Europe, even like into Norway, Sweden, very cold areas, there might be the possibility of some freezing fog and rain. So yeah, stay safe too. And I don't know if this will work, but there's a more simple way to do this. If this site decides to work, so here, so we go to Europe here, and the Canadian model. So for like total snowfall, so it does show like now the season to Belgium, Germany, those areas shows the snow in the Alps too, from this front having the French Alps into Switzerland. And then until the 15th shows more snow, Sweden, not Sweden, like Estonia, northern Latvia, some spots of southern Finland, shows some heavy snow, even the mountains, central Greece to northern Turkey, some on the Pyrenees, the mountains, southern Italy. But be aware of that season to northeastern Europe, in the Alps, those areas there, and also some freezing rain potential in the middle. So stay safe.